Oh shit! He's got the pad on under there.
Yeah, I'm not playing after last time.
Andrei's gonna tell us the story all the way down. We're gonna follow him this time. This is our second run down. We're at Mountain Creek Bike Park. We got a little warm up. This still counts as a warm up. I think third, fourth run is when you're about warmed up. So while we're warming up, Andrei's gonna tell us his most craziest life story as we're following behind him. Story time with Andrii. Andrei's on a Santa Cruz Bronson, the aluminum.
2015.
It's a 27.5, 150 rear, 150 front. He's got a new component on it. You guys want to know what it is? Oh, there it is.
It's a bell for newbies on the trail.
And I'm on the Transition Sentinel. I just put new tires on it. It's feeling fat and plump. Plump. It's a plump boy. It's time to get off. He's trying to kill me. Andrei's trying to kill me. Tell us about your first job in New York.
Oh, that's actually
see?
an easy one.
There you go.
Because as an immigrant, you come here and you try to find your people. And you know, that's the easiest way to find the jobs, through your people. And friends from Ukraine contact me with another friends here. And they helped me to find a job in a hotel as a houseman. And it was a fun job, you know, learning language, hanging out with different people, meeting crazy people. And yeah, I started as a houseman, was folding laundries, cleaning hallways, taking out the garbage. And then in a couple months working there, they seen I'm good with my hands because I could do different work. You know, like fixing toilets, painting walls, fixing locks, and all that kind of crap. So, and after that I worked there for 3 years as a handyman. It was a great experience as an immigrant to work close to the Times Square, see New Year in the Times Square, ball drop and stuff. So, yeah, that was my first job. And my second job, because I got so into working with my hands, was a plumber in a small plumbing company. And that's where I learned the work ethics. Where I learned how to respect your work and respect your co-workers. Doesn't mean I didn't respect them back in the hotel, it's just different environment. And because when I was studying university in Ukraine, I worked part-time as a bartender. It was my dream to work as a bartender in New York. So after 2 years working in construction, I decided I quit this everything and just going to find a bartender job. And I didn't work for like months and a half at all. There is a new rider on the trail. We're giving him space, giving him time to think. On your right. So yeah, and then I found my first job as a bartender, which I'm still doing till this day. Working in the bars. And yeah, for the past almost 5 years now, I've been bartending here and a couple of years back in Ukraine, and that's my work story in New York. But besides my official works, I've done so many projects, so many little jobs where I was just like in a film, in the music, I was DJing, promoting, partying hard in New York, because then New York pre-COVID was an amazing place to party. You could never say no to the house parties and stuff. Okay, this trail is too wavy for the stories, but we keep going. Now I'm trying out myself in the film industry because I like to work with my hands and I like to work with technology. And let's see where it's gonna take me in the next few months. But yeah, riding my own bike and talking and telling the story is not the easiest thing. I don't know how Terry does that when he's riding his downhill trails, concentrating on every turn and every jump and every rock. So that's what you have to do when you're riding. You have to look 3 steps in the front to understand what's coming up and how to prepare yourself and your bike for that feature. And now we are at the bottom and the progression drops because I'm still sketched out from the big drop, and that's the end of the story.
So we bring to a close the story of rigid control through the unceasing research and the highest quality.